Hello everyone. If you find this on 21st June, that is full moon, then someone wants to confess to you like they kept their feelings hidden because they had some fear of being judged. Okay. So basically, if the person currently on your mind, this person don't show you their love, okay, the person don't take a stand for you or don't take a stand for this relationship, then this person wants to confess to you like they kept feelings hidden because they had the fear of being judged. Okay, so I'm getting basically this person's have some kind of inner child issues, inner child wounds and fear. That's why. Okay, I don't want to give up on you. I will never stop trying to come back to you. But whatever the situation, this person don't want to move on, don't want to give up on this relationship. Okay. They are trying their level best to come back to you. Okay. I want to be a perfect life partner for you. I'm trying my level best. So basically this person want to work on themselves. Okay. They want to be a perfect life partner for you. I know you are believe in me. I know you believe in our bond. I respect you. I fall in love with you every day, every moment, my love. Yes, this person know like you believe them. You respect the soul bond you feel with this person. Okay, this is a soul connection actually. Okay, and this person wants to confess to you like they fall in love with you every day, every moment. Okay, how I forget all my memories with you, how I change everything. I want you only. So basically, this person want you. Okay, so they want to change everything. But what I'm saying, like, they can't take any stand because they had the fear of being judged or some kind of inner child issues, some kind of family problem. Okay, I can't wait to see you next time. This person want to meet you actually. Okay, maybe you both are in long distance relationship or on off situation, no contact, and you both don't see each other for a very long time. I'm getting 2 years, 3 years energy. Okay, so yes, this person want to see you. They want to meet you. You are the one. My heart belongs to you now. Being away from you, worst feeling ever. I can't deny my feelings for you. I miss our conversation. Yes, they can't deny their feelings for you. Okay. So basically, this person wants to come back to you. Okay. They want to see you. They want to meet you. And yes, being away from you is the worst feeling ever in their life. Okay. If you want to book your personal reading and remedies with me, you can contact me through my email ID for your customized remedies for any rituals, spells, and subliminals, affirmation. You can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091 at the rate gmail.com, and for more details you can check the description box. Okay, let's see with some love tarot here. Three of wands here. So yes, a stability. This person wants a stable connection with you. Okay, this person want to travel with you. They want their family, their house, dream home, dream destination. They want to travel with you. Okay, and three of wands. Actually, this person is planning something. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is strong here. Fire energy mainly. This person feel very fiery, passionate feelings towards you. Knight of wands, again wands card, definitely a fiery, passionate, romantic connection, emotional as well as physical attraction they feel for you. They don't want to lose you. Okay, and so you can expect some kind of outing, some kind of romantic date, some kind of surprise date or meeting with this person. Okay, and I'm also getting vacation kind of vibes here. So maybe this person is planning like after marriage they want a beautiful a vacation with you. Okay, so yes, maybe you and this person, you both have a dream destination. Okay, wow, I'm getting very romantic kind of energy here. Yes, the chariot, determined and successful love. Yes, this person is determined. Okay, already they made up their mind. They want you only. They want to marry you actually. Okay, Five of Cups. Maybe this person abandon you. Okay, don't give you that much love, that much support, respect that you deserve, because this person in deep down, this person was unhealed. Okay, they had some kind of inner child wounds. So I'm getting like at this point you are working on yourself. Okay, you are doing some healing, some third party releasing rituals or any kind of union manifestation rituals or remedies, inner work. Okay, and for this, as you are doing this, and you both are in a soul connection, so definitely this person also heal, okay, with you. So yes, I'm getting like your relationship is going through healing, so yes, congratulations. Ten of Cups, definitely a beautiful reconciliation, reunion, and marriage, kids, happy family life, that is destined for you. Okay, from Five of Cups to Ten of Cups, definitely this is destined for you. Okay, I'm getting Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, and Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio sign is very strong here. Okay, 10, 13, 3, 4, 7, 17, 8, 15, 6. This could be significant dates or number for you. Claim this beautiful reading.